Kuat, what? Hey, this is the Smart Wood Shop. If you're here for woodworking, then this isn't the video for you. Today is all about bicycling. Actually, it's about bicycle racks. I'm a bicycling nut, I mountain bike, and I ride all over the city as well. This Kuat rack I just picked up the other day, and at the bike shop, with the help of the owner, Gary, we stuck it in the hitch on the truck and assembled it. If you've watched my woodworking videos and seen the truck around, you've seen this rack on my truck for a long time. Well, that's not this rack. It looks identical, but the previous one had an 1.25 inch hitch on it, or went into an 1.25 inch hitch. And Kuat had an adapter for 2-inch hitches. And so I was able to use it on my F-150 as well as on the Prius. Worked great. And that's the reason I got the 1.25 inch hitch. I decided that I needed to haul more than 2 bikes. So I picked up the Kuat 2-bike add-on. So this, when I put this on, it's going to carry 4 bikes. One of the things I like about this rack is when I'm traveling, I can work on my bikes. It has an integral bike rack. So I can take this and hook my bike up on it, and then work on my bike when I'm traveling. So I think that's a pretty neat feature. If you're curious, Specialized in Kuat aren't sponsoring these videos. This is just my stuff, and I'm having a little fun today. They label it nice. So there's a B, a D, an A, and a C. And on each one of these, they label the ends. So this is an A. So A goes to A. So there's no chance of assembling it wrong and then having to take it apart. That was pretty easy. This is pretty good engineering. Really nice finish on this thing. Went together really well. They provide all the tools that I needed to do it. What's nice about this 2-rack is that most of the time when we're not traveling, I'll only need the 2. And by using this 1 wrench, I can take 1 bolt out here and then 2 bolts on the inside, pop the whole thing off, put the end cap back on with 1 bolt, and then I can store this away for the future when I need 4 bikes. I also have the optional Kuat pivot. So when I am camping or need to get into the back of the truck, this will swing all the way over 90 degrees. And then I got full access. So we're all set up. We got our deck drawers we store our stuff in. We've got a 4-inch foldable pad that goes in here with their bedding. I've got it all wired up. I've got power back here to plug in the cooler and our phones and stuff when we're asleep here at night. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And remember, when you subscribe, to ring that bell so you'll know when I put up a new video. Thanks for dropping into the Smart Bicycle Shop. You have a great day.